Welcome back to Dad Deals. I have a really cool new product to show you guys. This is a portable misting cooler. This is actually made by Lowe's house brand Project Source. I had no idea that they made this thing, and they even have a whole system that attaches to it. But this misting cooler sets out to solve one of the biggest problems when it comes to misting fans and other misters, is where do you get a cold water source when you want to use this on the go? Maybe at a kid's sporting event, at the park, wherever you're going to take this thing promises to be portable and provide you with that ice cold mist. So if you're curious, I'm going to put this thing through some real world testing and let's find out if it's worth it. Now, before we get started, just to be transparent, Lowe's did send me this device to test, and I will have links in the description below and in the YouTube shopping feature where you can pick up this unit. I do earn a small commission if you use those links. Doesn't add anything to the cost to you, just supports my channel. So if you're interested in buying this, please use my links. All right, so let's check this thing out. Now, Project Source has a bunch of different misting products, and all of these are going to work with that cooler, but you can also use those just with a garden hose. So if you're not interested in the cooler, you can definitely buy those, hook them up to a garden hose, and have some mist anywhere that you have that water source available. But this misting cooler kit is going to cost you $120, and in that kit, you're going to get the actual cooler. You're going to get a 12-volt battery, a battery charger, in a 20-foot misting tube that can be used on canopies, can be wrapped around chairs, maybe umbrellas at the beach. So that can pretty much be used anywhere you want. Now, one thing that kind of stuck out to me when I unboxed this thing is this is under the Project Source brand at Lowe's. That is usually Lowe's budget line, but this cooler kit feels extremely well made. It really doesn't feel like a Project Source product. And I'm actually pretty surprised that it's not a Cobalt product, especially since it runs on a battery, and a lot of us already have those Cobalt batteries. But this thing is Project Source, comes with its own Project Source battery, but it's extremely well made. Inside the bag, there is a filter, so that's going to filter out any dirt that might get in this cooler and keep it from running through the lines. You can also adjust the pressure of the lines using this screw on the base of the cooler, which is pretty nice. So you can adjust how much mist is actually coming out. Using this thing is pretty straightforward. You just can fill it up with water or ice water, hook up whatever misting nozzle you want to use, like a garden hose, and then just hit that power button. Now on the side here, you'll see the battery life that you have left. You have 3 bars indicating that. Unfortunately, there isn't a button to control the pressure. That is, of course, done by that screw turn. So you'll probably want to bring a screwdriver with you if you use this on the go. But like I was saying earlier, there's a ton of different accessories you can get for this. They have some tubing that's designed to attach to a fan, so you can create a misting fan pretty much anywhere. They also have this Flexi Mist hose, and there's 2 different versions of this. There's one that kind of spiders out, like you see here on the website. The one that I have is just pretty much a tube with a bunch of different nozzles on the end. And this is flexible, so you can kind of flex it wherever you need it. You can stand it up like I have here. You can angle it wherever you want it to go. And it was also super sturdy. I had kids all around playing with this thing and never worried about it breaking or getting damaged. Now, this thing lives up to its promise. You can hold a lot of drinks or other things in this cooler, throw some ice in it, and as that ice melts, boom, you have ice cold mist available with you at the park or wherever you're going to go. Now, one negative to this is it is pretty heavy, especially if you're going to load it down with ice and with drinks. So definitely expect that. It does have a shoulder strap on it, but you're probably going to want a wagon to pull this with. If you have this loaded down, it's going to be very heavy to carry. I do really like the solid base that this has, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. It has that really rugged, solid base with that waterproof cover for the battery. But I took this with me to the park to see some 4th of July fireworks with my kids and some of their cousins, and it was a hit. It really saved us from a very hot day. But you can use this out by the pool like you see here, and you can even use multiple of these. So you could have a canopy, you could put some up in the canopy, you could have one of those Flexi Mist hoses on the side. So you could really create a pretty cool cooling zone with this. I was really impressed with the battery life. This lasted the whole time that we were at the park, which was at least 4 or 5 hours. And I really didn't even see the battery level decrease that much. Now, we didn't have it on the whole time, but I don't really see any issue with the battery life here. But I just really think this is a cool, no pun intended, and unique product that Lowe's offers that I really haven't seen anything like anywhere else. And I think it's a great way to stay cool this summertime. So definitely give this a try if you have any camping trips, you're at your kids' sporting events, or even some beach trips or anything like that. This thing can be super nice to have on a hot day. But again, I'll have links in the description below. Thanks to Lowe's for sending this unit out for me to test. As always, if you find my videos helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.